Okay, do you want to try this first exercise for me?
I will do anything for you, Daddy. God damn.
All right.
You in that suit? I will do anything for you. Sorry.
That's all right.
I am under the influence, but I did not drive. Swear to God.
But you were driving.
I was not.
Exercise.
Oh, you want me to participate?
Do I what?
On November 17th in Sarasota, Florida, a routine traffic stop turned into an unusual DUI when a driver openly admits she's been drinking, then begins flirting with the officer on scene. The entire interaction was caught on body camera, showing just how unpredictable these encounters can be.
Just across the street?
I have to pee really bad.
Okay. All right. Well, you're going to have to hang out. Unfortunately, there's no places to pee right now. Where is across the street?
Golf Gate, Tipsy Turvy.
Golf Gate?
Tipsy Turvy.
Tipsy Turvy. Is that a bar? Excuse me, down at Golf Gate?
Oh!
Sorry, I've been drinking a fizzy drink.
What were you drinking? Sir?
Celsius.
Fizzy drink?
Yeah.
And it's a Celsius.
Yeah.
You swear?
Pinky.
You swear.
Pinky. Here, why don't we get out of the road?
You were drinking a fizzy drink.
Come on.
Hey.
Yes.
You were drinking a fizzy drink. Oh.
You all right?
Yes, I just want to counter you.
Counter me? I think you're trying to counter you.
Hey, you were drinking a fizzy drink. You were drinking a fizzy drink.
Yeah.
Are you going to try me?
A fizzy drink has in a Celsius, because I need energy.
Energy?
Yeah.
Me too, bro.
Okay.
I just got off work.
Do you work at Hooters?
Yes, I do.
Okay. But then you went to Hooters and then
I went to Hooters and then I went to Golf Gate.
Do you work at the Hooters down in Golf Gate?
I do.
Okay.
Caught me, red flag.
You what?
Red flag, caught me.
Okay. We are going to investigate a DUI.
I
Would you be willing to participate in the couple?
No.
You don't want to participate in
No.
exercises.
I'm literally drinking and I'm not going to drive. I'm not going to drive.
But you were already driving.
I am.
No problem.
I was not. No, it wasn't. No, I was not.
I mean, we stopped you in the middle of the road.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, we did.
No, you did not.
Look at the cars.
No, you did not.
Where do you think you are right now?
I am in Golf Gate.
No.
You didn't.
You're miles from Golf Gate.
You did not stop me in front of Golf Gate.
We did not. You were correct.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay. So look, I want you to turn around.
Hey, it's not fair. You did not stop me in front of Golf Gate.
Okay. Sophia, I am investigating a DUI. It's alright. And I would like if you would participate in a couple standard field sobriety exercises to determine if you're able to drive home.
I am not going to drive home.
Okay.
I am under the influence, but I did not drive. Swear to God.
But you were driving.
I was not. I was not.
Sophia, you were driving. You
I
had
was
the car.
not.
Do you remember that you had the car and drive and then I had to put it in park for you?
I was not. No, I do not.
Well, how did your car get here then?
My friend. My friend drove it over here for me.
That's not what happened.
He drove it over here for me.
We physically saw you driving.
I was not driving. I was not driving.
We saw you driving.
I was not driving. I wasn't.
Okay.
I swear. I swear.
Okay. Well, I'll ask you one more time. Would you be willing to participate in those exercises?
No, I was not driving.
Even if there's just one to check your eyes?
I was not driving.
It's a super simple exercise.
You were asking... babe. You were asking me Babe. Babe, you were asking me to take a test without a test.
That doesn't make much sense.
You are asking me to take a test without a test.
What do you mean by that?
You are telling me to take a test without a test.
I'm asking if you're willing to participate in an exercise.
You want me to participate?
Do I, what?
You want me to participate in tests?
Do it. If you're willing to, yes.
Hey, and do you want me to do what you want me to do, or do you want me to do what I want to do?
Hey, you can do whatever
Because
you want.
I'll bust out. But I'll do what you want to do too.
If you're willing to participate in that.
I will participate.
Okay. It seems like that sidewalk is nice and flat for us. Would you be
fun.
willing to walk over there? That one across the street. Okay.
We're gonna make out here.
Okay.
We're gonna make out here.
No, we're not. Here,
Turn off.
wait, stop right there.
Turn off the lights. We're gonna make out.
Wait, stay right there for
Oh,
me.
it's
Okay.
my bed. It's my bed.
All right.
I gotta pee, bro.
I know. I
I
have
gotta
to pee as well.
bro. I gotta pee.
Okay, do you want to try this first exercise for me?
I will do anything for you, Daddy. God damn.
All right.
You in that suit? I will do fucking anything for you. Sorry.
That's all right.
Knee-jerk reaction.
All right. So this first exercise.
In this fucking suit, brother. I'm sorry.
That's
I'm sorry.
okay. This first exercise is going to test your eyes. Okay? But before...
Dude, why are you drunk texting me? You know I'm drunk. Why are you doing this to me?
Because I want to give
You
you the
know
opportunity.
I'm drunk. Why are you doing this to
I
me?
do know that. Because we
Why-
still have to.
Why are you
We
doing
have
this to
to
me?
try.
So you're gonna drunk and then right?
Please. No. Here, you stay right there.
Oh.
Alright. Give me 2 seconds. Here, wait, you stay right there.
Are you gonna tase me?
No, I just need you. Hold on.
Are you gonna tase me?
Sophia.
You're gonna tase me?
Right there, Sophia.
You gonna tase me?
I'm not gonna tase you, no.
Get a handle.
1930.
Can't keep my hands off him. Sorry.
Unfortunately, you're gonna have to.
I can't, bro. I can't.
Here, I'll give you this to hold on in the meantime.
Give me a citation,
No.
bro.
That's not a citation. It's something that
God
you can hold
damn,
on
bro. I am drunk. I will piss on the street, bro.
to. I would appreciate if you did not do that.
You and me both, bro.
Okay.
You and me, bros.
Okay. Do you want to try this one exercise?
Bro.
Here, wait. Stand right there and let's put your feet together.
Hey,
Hold on. You can talk to the camera if you want, but you got to stay right there.
you talk to the camera. You hold this. Hey, you
I'll
hold
hold
this.
this.
I will talk to the camera.
No. Hold on, Sophie.
I will talk to the camera.
Hold on.
I will talk to the camera. Hello?
Here, why don't you try putting your feet together for me? And let's put your hands down to your side.
You're the one taking me home, right?
Sure.
You're taking me home.
Mhm.
I want you.
Okay.
I want you.
Okay.
You're taking me home, right?
Yep.
You are taking me home.
Sure.
Hey, you're the one taking me home.
Sure. Okay.
You're
let's
I
try.
got a laugh out of him.
I've been laughing
I got
the whole time.
a laugh out of him. I got a laugh out of him. Hey, he's taking me home. He's taking me home.
All right, hold on.
He's taking,
All right.
all right.
So
all
let's
right,
try
sorry.
it again.
Sorry, I'll
That's
make you
okay.
laugh. First one laugh folds. First one laugh folds.
Okay. Can you put your feet together
I'll put my feet together.
and your hands down to your
Oh,
side?
whatever you say, Daddy.
Okay. Now
I'll
before
put
we
my hand on
start,
my hip.
no, I was grabbing my flashlight.
Oh, whatever you want, Daddy.
Okay. Before we start,
Before we start, hey, fair shot.
are you wearing
Fair
contacts right now?
Are you wearing contacts right now?
No, I'm wearing glasses.
No, I am
on,
wearing
hold on.
contacts. Did you see this?
Can you put your shirt down?
I am wearing contacts.
Can you put your shirt down?
I am wearing contacts. I swear to God, I'm wearing contacts.
Hold on. I want you to think for like 2 seconds.
I am wearing contacts.
Sophia.
You might have glasses, but I am wearing contacts.
Hey, Sophia. Hey,
I swear to God, I'm wearing contacts.
Like 2 seconds.
Why are you such a nerd, bro?
In all seriousness.
Why are you such a nerd, bro?
In all seriousness.
Bro, don't be such a fucking nerd, bro.
Sophia, in all seriousness, everything that we do
Don't be such a nerd,
is
bro.
on body cam, and that body cam is public record.
Nerd.
It's for anybody to
I am a
see.
nerd.
I get
I
that.
am a nerd.
But
I am a nerd. Show it to the body cam. I am a nerd.
But anything we do is...
I am a nerd, bro.
Hold on. Anything we do is recorded and anybody can see that. Mom, dad, grandma, family. I just
You
want you
think
to
I give a...
I just wanted to let you know.
You think I give a...
Okay.
Hey.
Sophia,
Nerd,
remember
bro.
we said, hey,
Nerd.
can we just try this one exercise?
Want to?
I would like to, yes. You want to come back here and stand with your feet together?
No, I don't. I actually want to stand back here with my feet. Actually, my arms around me. Like this.
Okay. Hold on.
It's so cold.
What the handcuffs?
Yeah.
I know.
Come on. It's so cold. Oh my God, it's so cold. It's
Hold
so
on, stop moving
cold.
around so much.
It's so cold.
Hold on, lean forward.
That's what she said.
All right. Sophia.
Hey, wait, one more picture.
Come on.
Take one more picture.
All right, here you go.
Take one more picture.
I took it. There you go.
No, you didn't.
I did. The body cam took it. Remember? I know this is not good news, Sophia, but you are going to jail tonight for DUI. Okay. Is there anybody that can come pick up your car? I'm trying to see if anybody can pick it up.
You.
I cannot. I don't want your car to get towed. I don't want you to have to pay for that. Is there anybody that can come pick up your car for you?
You.
I cannot. Sophia, it's pointless money that you'll have to spend to get your car out. Can you call somebody that can come pick it up? That won't be extremely far away.
You know what? I should be hanging out with better dudes. I should not be hanging out with assholes.
Phones, I agree. Is there somebody in your phone that we can call to come pick up your car?
Yeah, his name is Connor Giselle.
Is that one of the bad guys that you're hanging out with?
Alright. Listen. Don't be...
I'm saying, do you trust this person with your car is what I'm trying to get at.
Yes.
Okay.
I do.
Okay, then he's going to grab your phone and we're going to see if we can call him. Is he sober?
Yes.
Okay.
Will you just...
Hold on. Stay right there.
cut me off for a second? What? Are you afraid I'm going to grab your dick?
No.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
On it, G.
The woman was arrested and charged with driving under the influence with a high blood alcohol level. Her bond was set at $500 and she was taken into custody following the incident. Officials have not indicated any additional sentencing at this time. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.